to the Adam Show. I'm not sure what it's called today, but this is Adam Bierman's show, and I'm Vivian Schneidman. I'm the chief medical correspondent, and I'm here with our two new guests. One is Stacy Hoffer, who is a holistic therapist, and we actually share some of the same patients.
So we're not going to talk about that.
We're not going to talk about that, but we're going to talk about what it's like to practice psychiatry and psychotherapy here in the greater Princeton area. And our other guest is Nina Mongendre, who's a yoga practitioner, also here in Princeton. And she probably has some of our patients too. So I think we'll start with Stacy. And I'm going to ask Stacy a question that we were talking about a little earlier, which is, after 25 years of practicing psychotherapy, what do you know for sure?
Okay, so my favorite little saying is, what you resist persists. And what I mean by that is that whatever it is that we try to avoid emotionally, the more we try to avoid it, the more we kind of tamp it down and push it away, the bigger it gets. It's sort of like locking a hungry dog in the basement, right? It's just going to bark and bark and bark and bark. It's not going to stop barking. And so, because people tend to want to do an emotional or spiritual bypass of their emotions, because somehow we have the idea that we shouldn't have to feel angry or sad or shameful or betrayed or violated. And this is all part of the human experience, right? It's the Buddhist truth that nobody escapes that. And so teaching people that you can learn to have your emotions and they will not kill you. You can feel your feelings and it'll be okay.